reframing from horizontal to vertical. To reframe a video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, right-click on your sequence and select Auto Reframe. Now select Vertical. Keep motion tracking to default and don't nest the clips. Premiere Pro will automatically do all the work, but you may have to adjust the framing. As you can see, it drifted a little bit. If you have to customize it, you click on the video you want to change and go to Effects Control. Click Overwrite Generated Path. Now delete the keyframes and manually adjust the position. New keyframes will be automatically created. Repeat the same steps when you need to make adjustments.